Welcome to HackProof Academy, your digital edge in the world of smart tools and future careers. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional resume using AI in just 2 minutes. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or switching careers, creating a resume can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that AI can do 90% of the work for you, and better? Step 1. Choose the right AI tool. Start by selecting the right AI tool. My top 3 picks are ChatGPT for writing personalized resume content, Rezi for beating the ATS bots, Canva AI for beautiful job-ready designs. Step 2. Generate resume content with ChatGPT. Prompt example: write a resume for an entry-level cybersecurity analyst with certifications. Head over to ChatGPT and give it a detailed prompt about your job, skills, and background. Instantly, it creates a clean and compelling resume outline. Experience, objectives, skills, all included. Step 3. Design your resume. Paste into Canva or Resume. Copy your AI-generated content and paste it into a modern resume template. You can use Canva's free templates or premium designs from Resume. Customize colors, fonts, and you're done. Result: resume in under 2 minutes. In just under 2 minutes, you've created a resume that's professional, polished, and recruiter-ready. Upload your resume to JobScan to test it against real job descriptions. This helps make sure your resume passes ATS filters. If you found this helpful, subscribe to HackProof Academy for weekly AI, tech, and career hacks.